beautiful day, a little chilly, but not bad at all, really. And tomorrow we have another issue.
Yeah, we got an impact day tomorrow. We had an impact day today, but because of the cold weather this morning, Birmingham got to 34. It was 28 in Aniana, 30 in the Pinson Valley. A lot of places had frost early today. This afternoon, though, we turned it around and made it nice outside. 69 currently looking to downtown from atop Red Mountain. Tomorrow, from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m., we call it an impact day because this is not what I would expect to be scary, destructive, exceptionally dangerous weather. But we are going to have some rough thunderstorms come through. The risk of a tornado on the low end. Can never say zero, but I don't think it's a very big threat for us. Hail and strong gusty winds are the two primary things that I think we're going to see out of these storms. And the reason is how hail forms. And it's all about how much instability we have or fuel that's taking all that warm, humid air from the ground and blasting it up into the atmosphere. So each time that wind sends that hailstone up above the freezing level, it gets coated with another layer of ice. So you get these concentric circles every time that thing moves up and down above that freezing level. And the lower the freezing level is and the bigger the hail gets, the more likely it is that it makes it all the way down to the surface. And that's why we have this outlook of severe thunderstorms for Tennessee and Mississippi and Alabama and Georgia. Storms will start to the northwest, come to the southeast. Our primary threats here, wind, hail, and although lightning doesn't make a storm severe, when you got a lot of hail in storms, there's usually a lot of lightning with it. 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Outdoor activities in northwest Alabama may get disrupted fairly early. Soccer practice, soccer games, baseball, softball, outdoor activities around Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Hoover, Calera, Springville, Gadsden, Piedmont, Anniston, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. You want to be on your toes. Make sure you got the WVTM 13 app loaded on your phone with your location settings turned on so that you can get whether you need a severe thunderstorm alert or a lightning alert to let you know that you got to move indoors. If lightning's happening within 10 miles of you, time to come inside. So this is one set of model guidance, and like I usually say, when we look at these forecast models, they don't tell us the truth about the future. They're not time machines, but they do give us a good scenario of how the radar could look during the day tomorrow. So 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, see the timestamp there at the top, locally heavy thunderstorms with lots of space in between them. I don't think this is an everybody gets a severe weather kind of event. There are probably 2 or 3 ongoing at any given time. It just depends on where they are as to how you're impacted by it. 11 p.m. everything is quieting down, and then we're drying out, cooling down from Friday into the weekend. Tomorrow, 76. In the afternoon, beyond 3 p.m., good chance of some storms. Friday, we're quite a bit cooler, the high at 63. Saturday, a cool north breeze blowing all day long, the high only at 61. We've got a day at Alabama, comfortably cool in the afternoon. It may be warmer in T-Town than it is in Birmingham and still warmer in Auburn than it is in Birmingham, with temperatures getting into the 60s at Jordan-Hare Stadium as well. Sunday and Monday and Tuesday, we're up and down just a bit, but after this chance of storms on Thursday, there's nothing significant rain-wise ahead for the next 7 days.